In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust touch sensitivity settings on a Xiaomi or Redmi phone. We'll be making two simple changes that can help your device feel faster and more responsive in everyday use. The first change improves the way the system feels by speeding up animations. And the second lets you adjust pointer speed for better control when using a mouse, trackpad, or certain swipe inputs. To begin, open the Settings app on your phone and go to About Phone. Once you are there, look for the MIOS version, or on some devices, the MIUI version. Tap on that option 7 times quickly. After a few taps, your phone may ask you to confirm using your lock screen. And then you should see a message letting you know that developer mode has been enabled. This step unlocks additional settings that are normally hidden, so don't worry if you haven't seen them before. Now return to the main settings menu, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. From there, scroll until you find Developer Options and open it. Inside this menu, keep scrolling until you reach the Drawing section. Here, you will see 3 important settings: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Tap on each of these one by one and change them all to off, or if you prefer a slightly smoother look while still speeding things up, set them to 0.5x. Turning these down reduces the time your phone spends animating menus and transitions, which makes the device feel quicker when opening apps, switching screens, and navigating through the system. It doesn't increase processing power, but it does make the phone feel noticeably snappier. Next, if you use a mouse, trackpad, or simply want to fine-tune how movement responds, go back to Settings, then open Additional Settings again. Tap on Languages and Input. Then select Keyboard, Mouse and Trackpad. After that, tap Pointer Speed. You will see a slider that lets you increase or decrease the pointer speed. Move it gradually until it feels comfortable for your usage. A faster setting can make navigation quicker, while a slower setting may give you more precision. It's a good idea to test it after each adjustment so you can find the balance that works best for you. Once you've made both of these changes, your Xiaomi or Redmi phone should feel more responsive and easier to use. Thanks for watching.